Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 3rd, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, a stock I'm going to talk about today is a company you all know very, very well. It's called Apple. And Apple stock today is bouncing. It's about the first bounce, I think, in about a week. Stock is trading up about 61 cents today to $94.24 a share. Now, Apple is bouncing from an oversold condition, and in all fairness, the stock does have support down here at these lows. Now, when you take a look at a weekly chart, it's pretty interesting because you have the flash crash low, that's at 92. You have the recent low, that was at around 92.39. And then you have the big sell-off low after earnings that was at 92.51. So in all fairness, if you just drew a straight line across, you're going to see that the stock is basically into a support level, and that's what it's holding. And then you have the 200-week moving average holding up as support. Now, the stock is oversold. When you take a look at a daily chart, it's very, very extended. It's way overdone, so you probably get a little bit of a short-term bounce. But once the stock crosses through and below the 92 level, I'm going to say on a daily chart basis, this stock should immediately get down to around 80 bucks, and that's where traders can get more interested. I would not be a buyer of Apple here at these levels. This stock's on borrowed time. There is more pain in the cards. And in fact, if you just take a simple chart like the weekly chart, and you're going to notice that stock put in these triple tops here, then it put in a lower high, and now another lower high. We should still see more downside to go if that has any kind of symmetry compared to the other peaks. So again, we should see more downside ultimately in Apple, but in the short term, the stock is due for a little bit of a micro bounce, and I think that's all it's going to be. Ultimately, you'll get a better area to buy Apple below $80 a share. So again, if you're looking to get into Apple, yes, there could be a short-term bounce right here if you're quick, but the reality of it all is you're going to get a chance to own this stock a lot cheaper down the road. And again, when you see it get to around 80 bucks, $75, that's where traders, I think, will want to step in, because that's where the institutions are going to step in. And you want to trade markets along with the institutions. Again, I can't move Apple. They have billions of shares outstanding. So if you want to move a stock like that, you got to get in when the institutions get in, and that's going to be right around the $80, $79 area. That's where they would start nibbling, and again, they'd be a buyer all the way down to 74. So they're going to defend that equity at that price. With that being said, everyone, if you want to trade this and other stocks alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of our nightly chart setups. You'll get all of our cycle work. You'll see everything that we are doing. Plus, you'll get our No Hype Live broadcast, which will allow members to come in, ask us questions about anything market related. We go over that, we cover it, and again, it's a great popular program. So again, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get this and more. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.